I posted 13 reels and made 1,50,000 rupees in a single month. And ये कोई luck नहीं है, तुम भी एक अच्छा framework use करके viral हो सकते हो. If you have been following me for a while and if you have been watching my videos, you might be aware like I was about to start a content creation agency with one of my partners. And guess what? I did it eventually. As you know, I've been doing this for the last 4 years. One thing I know, in order to create an irresistible offer, we need a strong guarantee associated with it. And when we were talking about like creating certain guarantees for this new agency, we end up creating a very irresistible offer for this specific agency. I discussed this with one of my partners and he decided to create a content strategy for me so we can just test out our knowledge in terms of content creation so that we can use this as a case study to our potential prospects out there. हमने target किया certain topics such as making money online because everybody wants to make money out there. My business partner knows how to write engaging scripts, engaging copies. So he created 13 highly engaging scripts and made brand assets for me. You can check my profile for just an idea like what and how does the process looks like. I was at 2,400 followers when before posting these 13 reels, and once I did end up posting these 13 reels, I'm currently at 58,000 followers on Instagram. Now we can say we know the framework of how to actually make a brand, a person, an influencer go viral on Instagram, and that's how we end up creating a strong irresistible offer and coming up with a strong guarantee to which a prospect cannot say no to. How did I actually made money out of that? After getting a lot of views, after getting few of my reels viral, I just started promoting my most successful SMMA program so that like any person out there who wants to start their own agency can get genuine help out of this program. And guess what? Most of the people started buying different kind of programs that I had and they started seeing success in like less than a week. If you also want to check out 12 recordings out of a 12-week program which I actually hosted with all my students from the past, which covers like how to get your clients, how to set up the frameworks, the systems, how to reach out to clients, how to handle objections, how to actually talk to prospects over a call, and how to close them. Every single thing covered inside this 12-week program. If you do want to get hands on that particular program, you might be finding the link in the description. But anyways guys, this is how I actually went viral on Instagram. I never knew, I never believed like I can also go viral on Instagram. I thought like it's kind of myth or something, you know, to go viral on Instagram. But eventually when I started posting on a consistent basis and with like proper frameworks, it did made a big difference, and it took me from 2,000 followers to almost 58,000 followers. And now my goal is almost 100k just by providing good value out there. And also guys, one thing you have to make sure is when you're starting a page like this, your purpose should be just creating value and providing value there. If you're going to check one of my Instagram pages which has 58,000 followers, obviously like I did created a lot of reels where I was actually, you know, telling them about one of my courses, my programs, right? But you're also going to find a lot of reels, which in majority of my reels I would say where I was providing complete value. So again, you should always prioritize like providing value, and then you can create reels about your courses, whatever you have to sell, right? So that your audience can trust you more and you can become a believable figure out there instead of like just being a course seller, because there's a lot of people who run so many Instagram pages just to sell their courses out there. So you shouldn't be one of them. Your main purpose should be just providing value. That's it. I hope you did got some value out of it. If you did, just drop your feedback. What do you think about this certain topic? And I'll try to come up with more content like this. You have a good day and keep taking action. Bye.